Okay, this is a 2013 Honda Accord Touring Edition. You hit the start. This is to do the oil reset. Hit the start again. It'll get us into the accessory mode. See, maintenance due A1. And then you go down here to, okay, we gotta give this a little while to get up. Yeah, we go down to settings. And then we go to vehicle settings. Select. And then you go, yeah, maintenance reset. And then you have the tire rotation and engine oil, which I'm using that to do the controls, and hit reset. And turn that little knob to go to reset. And then we're done. And we can go back here, double check, oil life 100%. So that will hopefully help somebody out, because this was a pain because it doesn't do the normal. Hope you have a great day and enjoy your Honda Accord Touring Edition.